lower class men are those which are always at the last. They are those which benefit the least but work the hardest. They are deprived with all the advantages that the upper and middle class can get. Some might be exerting much effort but still don't get what they work for. They are the poor and will remain the poor.
The middle class are not very much affected by social dilemmas, since they earn enough money to sustain themselves. Although they are numerous and of good education, they hold little to nothing in terms of social influence. They are indifferent to events because they are neither happy nor sad in the current situation.
The upper class holds the power. They get higher profits compared to other classes. They are the ones that benefits the most. They have great influence on the prices of the goods or the final product. Wages doesn't cost them that much. They don't do much of the labor work. They have the goal to reach the top, and with that, they can do anything just to attain this. But still, they give jobs and reduce unemployment in the country.
Tinangkang itaboy ng sirgas at bumbero ang mga welgista. Pero ito'y kanilang napangibabawan.
Kapapasok lang na balita, kinumpirma na ni Chief Justice Renato Corona na may desisyon na ang Korte Suprema sa issue ng Hacienda Luisita. Pinaboran nila ang total land distribution sa mga magsasaka sa botong 14-0.
sa akin, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na social stratification, which is yun yung nag-leveling ng estado ng buhay dito sa Pilipinas. May mayaman, may middle class, tapos may mahirap. So para sa akin ngayon, kung sino pa yung mga mayayaman, yun pa lang sila yung masyadong yung mayaman, tapos yung mga mahihirap, siya pang naghihirap lalo. So para sa akin, hindi balance yung ating estado ng buhay dito. Kung kaya't kinakailangan nating mag-take part as kabataan na kailangan nating isolba yung ating suliranin dito sa Pilipinas.
So, social struggles in the Philippines. So there are opposing views as to how social struggles in the Philippines is addressed per se. So first we have colonialism mentality, wherein people are let's say like intoxicated with the feeling that they are still under the rule of someone higher than them, and then in that they tend to overthink that those people who are above them na okay na sila na lang parati dapat sa taas, o sila na lang parati dapat sa taas, ganun. So and then which will overlead them to think that they are doomed in their state and they cannot do anything for them to go up in the social strata. And then another is we have this foreign mentality wherein that we overlook wherein other people in the Philippines see other people outside of the Philippines as rich because of such, but where in fact it is not real. And so far the social struggle, all I want to say is you have to be yourself to overcome those social struggles, not only here in the Philippines but also abroad. And by that, being yourself, you can strive to be a someone and not a no one. Thank you.